Hi guys, welcome to PowerPoint Glamour. Today let's check out how to make this wheel-shaped infographics. So please stay tuned. Okay, let's start with inserting a triangle. Okay, select this one and insert here. Rotate it to the side. Put it here. Now we need another shape. Let's go and insert a moon. Okay, put it here. Stretch it. Make sure the corners are aligned. Let's increase the transparency and make sure this line passes through the corner so that we have a perfect cut. So select these two and then go to Format, Merge Shapes, click on Subtract. Great. Now we have this new shape ready. That's it. Now we need to duplicate this shape. This is the only shape that we need. So duplicate these shapes here and align it, make it in a form of a circle or wheel rather. Okay, place it. Maybe we might want to increase the size of some. Okay, align it here and change the colors. Keep the darker colors here. Okay, once you change the colors, align it. This is how it appears. Make sure you select all of them and group it. Okay, once the grouping is done, duplicate this shape. Duplicate this shape and reduce the size so that we get exactly the same copy of it. Place it on top and make sure the lines are aligned. And then we will change the color of this also. Alright. Great. Once the color is changed, group them. Select it and group this also. Alright. So the shapes are ready. Now it's time to insert the icons. So let's go ahead and insert the icons. Right, select about 6 icons. Change the color to white and place them here. Okay, now they look a little bigger in size, so select all of them and reduce the size so that they actually fit in well. Okay, so arrange them here properly. Great. So now the icons are also done. Let's insert some text boxes. Alright, so the text boxes are also inserted. Now we need some lines, some connectors from the text boxes to the infographic. Alright, so we will use this one. Okay. Alright, so we have the connectors also inserted. Just send them to back so that they actually attach to the shape well. Alright, that's it. Now we are left with the title, so make sure you insert a text box here for your title. So that's it guys. You can download this shape, this slide for free. There's a link in the description. So please make sure you like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.